Here's my outfit of the day. I'm about to go grocery shopping. I'm eating a raw energy bite. This is my mask. It's denim. Denim shorts. Vince sandals. Arquette white shirt. Today in the Watts family kitchen, we are making roasted red pepper and tomato soup. I will put the link to the recipe in the description box. It's from one of my favorite food blogs, Cookie and Kate. I also bought their cookbook. It's great. We have made this soup quite a few times. You want to make the soup in the summertime and you want to give it like an extra kick of flavor because summertime is like peak tomato season. These tomatoes we actually got fresh from my mother-in-law's garden, and look at these. We're gonna roast these, but yeah, what we do in the summertime is we do them in the barbecue, like on the grill, as opposed to in the oven. So I'm just in the process of chopping up the vegetables. I'm gonna put them on the pan, and then Michael is going to grill them on low heat for like 20 to 30 minutes till they get a nice char on them. I need to document this operation. What's your grilling secret with these?
With these?
Yeah.
Don't burn them. These peppers we grew in the back.
Yeah, we grew these ourselves.
And these were grown by the grocery store.
So we just did some olive oil, salt and pepper.
Yeah.
And
should use cracked pepper, but or pepper mills empty.
It's fine. Yeah, we're running low on pepper. We just have this kind. This is the only kind of pepper we have in the house. It smells delicious. Are you ready?
Yeah, I can do like 40 minutes of it. I'll go take.
Okay. I'm just enjoying my iced coffee outside. It is a lot colder today, which means summer is about to end. There's always something bittersweet about this time of year, and the air just smells really good. Except in today's air, I can also smell Pepper's poop, so I have to go clean that up.
Hot day.
This, my friends, is one of my favorite post-workout smoothie recipes. I usually have like a chocolate peanut butter one or a green one. About half a cup of frozen mango, 1 frozen banana, half a cucumber, fresh cucumber, a little bit of spinach. Then I do a tablespoon of almond butter and then a scoop of protein powder. I really don't need any more makeup or skincare, but I couldn't help it. So I got some stuff from Surat. I got another lip sleek, which is again one of my favorite lip formulas in the color Par Amour, which is a really beautiful peachy beige type of shade. So in the middle we have the new Surat lipstick. On the left of it we have the Giorgio Armani Ecstasy Mirror in shade 101, which was in my summer makeup bag essentials video. This is so gorgeous, also nice and shiny. And then on the right is my old favorite discontinued Bite Beauty caramel lipstick. These are the types of shades I'm gravitating towards right now. I want them to be a little bit warm, just like have that perfect little balance of beige, brown, and peach. And then I got this set of Joanna Vargas sheet masks. I don't do sheet masks often, but they are a nice treat. So this has kind of like one of everything. And then for my outfit, I actually not wearing this bag today, but it would work really well with this outfit. I just took it out to clean it. I'm wearing a Topshop t-shirt, Gold Sign jeans. I was actually looking for a nice dark gray straight leg jean that's not too cropped. I'm 5'5" for reference. I wanted them to be a little bit longer because all my jeans are cropped. I'm wearing Manolo Blahnik mules, and that's about it. I even cleaned the inside. I turned the bag inside out and tried to clean it as best as I could. I mean, I have not cleaned the inside in all the years I've owned it, so it was very overdue. Now I'm just gonna do some leather conditioner. And this is what I use to condition my bags and my shoes. It's a really great leather conditioning product. Now that the bag is nice and clean and dry, I'm going to put it to sleep back in its dust bag. Every time with a structured bag, I mean, I'm sure you know it, but it's best to keep them as stuffed as possible in order to maintain the shape. And then I'm going to put it to sleep. This is another bag that I need to clean and stuff and then put it into semi-retirement until it's time again. This is my work bag. Obviously now, since I am working from home, I don't really need it. This is from Kuyana, and they make this in 2 different sizes. This is the larger size because I have a 15-inch laptop. Cool thing about this is that you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and you can also wear it as a backpack. Because I have the larger size to fit my larger laptop, it's a bit too wide for me to use as a backpack. I think the smaller one looks so much cuter as a backpack. I mostly use it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody depending on how much stuff I'm carrying. Need to clean the leather a little bit. I'm going to use that same cleaner slash conditioner, and I'm going to stuff it with some tissue paper just so that it doesn't lose its shape. Just use these wipes that I usually use for silver jewelry. I was reading it and it says that it's excellent for gold, brass, copper, and aluminum. It worked pretty well. I mean, it's not perfect, but still a lot better than it used to be. And while we're on a bag cleaning kick, I guess I will also show you what I use to kind of maintain the integrity of this beautiful bag, which is suede. So on this side, it's got suede, and on this side, it's regular leather. I do this on shoes as well. If I notice that there's something going on, I bought this eraser, and it takes the marks off of suede. It literally looks like an eraser. If there are any marks, this is what I use to kind of get them out. Then a suede brush will be your best friend. This just makes sure that the texture stays looking suede-y, I guess. Then there's also this spray, which is fantastic on shoes and on bags, and you can also use it on leather jackets. It protects against water stains on suede and on regular leather as well. I usually do this when I make the big switch from summer to fall shoes, and it just helps keep your stuff in better condition. On my way to the dentist, I am getting a retainer and a bite splint, and yeah, I actually really love my new dentist. I was never self-conscious about my teeth growing up until I moved to Canada, and you know, everybody had braces. It just starts planting these seeds of doubt in your head as you grow older in a culture that puts so much, there's just so much attention and there's so much emphasis on having nice teeth and the perfect smile. I don't like smiling anyway, just because I have resting bitch face, but my goal is not perfect teeth. I like to have a little bit of character. It's just interesting how your entire childhood and adolescence, your self-esteem is being like slowly chipped away at, and then you spend your entire adulthood trying to build it back up. Did you really need to know my tooth history? Definitely not, but now you do. Someone is happy. Oh, thank you for the warm welcome. Oh, is that for me? Did you give me a carrot as a present? I love when her tail wags so hard. Her actual whole butt starts to wiggle. And this is what I am wearing today. I took my shoes off because I actually just got home from the dentist, and I will not be needing my bag, but I thought I would show you the outfit. These are so comfortable. I love them. White Arquette shirt, Zara belt, and then this is a small Chloe Nile bag. I love this bag. It doesn't fit a lot of stuff, but it's so cute. Today I actually just did SPF, the Chanel water tint, and I just did my eyebrows and mascara, and that's about it. Gotta get to work now. I got my face together and put on some makeup. I am still wearing that Surat eyeshadow in Brunâtre, and I love it so much. I also have a giant zit here that I'm about to charge rent because it's rude how big it is. I had to bust out the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage, which is the best concealer for blemishes. And I'm about to make some lunch. For lunch, we're just gonna do eggs, avocado toast, some homegrown lettuce, and look at this bread. Our friend Tim baked this bread, and it is so good. cleaned the kitchen, cleaned the bathroom, watered the plants, and yeah, it's been a great productive Sunday. We're gonna go to the dog park with Pepper. I also found the tripod for the vlog camera, which makes me very excited because it means I can stay updated. Did you get the goods?
Yeah, I got scallops, some Zingerman soup, and then the dessert my mom made.
For dinner tonight, we are going to attempt this, except we don't have watercress and asparagus. We have scallops though, so we're like a third of the way there. So instead, we're going to use zucchini and snap peas.
And I think it turned out good.
Good morning. We've got meetings, and the meetings are in person, obviously with masks and social distancing, but it's the first like non-virtual work meeting that has happened in a long time. Also, I get reunited with my friend Dina. I actually have not seen her this year at all. So I haven't seen her since 2019 when life was very different. So that's gonna be really, really exciting. I thought I would kind of share what I did with my face and one of my makeup routines if I know I'm going to be wearing a mask for a longer amount of time. I do try to keep the face makeup at a minimum and just do my skincare routine, just my everyday morning skincare routine, put on some sunscreen, and then I just kind of worry about this part of my face. So I did under eye concealer. I used the Maybelline, the Superstay, the fuller coverage concealer, which is really, really good. I used the shade 18. So I just did that in this portion of the face. I set it with the Pat McGrath under eye powder. I didn't do any eyeshadow, just mascara to give my eyes a nice lift. I used the Marc Jacobs At Lashed mascara, and then I went a bit heavier with the brows. I'm wearing tank top, vintage trousers, flip-flops, keeping it kind of casual. I quite dig it. I'm really comfortable. Feels like I'm wearing sweatpants, but it's like slightly more dressed up. Well, I did not manage to get any footage of me and Dina together, but you will just have to believe me that we did meet up. We've been hanging out. This was actually my first time shopping in person, not online, since lockdown, really. It felt really weird to be in store. I mean, I do a lot of shopping online, and I kind of forgot about the magic of in-store shopping. And even though the trends are all, you know, moving towards more and more online consumption, there's just something about a good in-store experience, getting to actually touch the garments. It's just so good. That just experience of shopping with a friend, that social interaction of shopping with a good girlfriend is something that you can never replicate. We actually went to the Vince store. The Vince store at Somerset Mall had really, really good sales as well. Dina bought a beautiful, beautiful olive green silk skirt that was just, it looked so good on her. It was stunning. They had a really, really solid knitwear collection. So if you're like in the market for good, high quality knitwear, if you want to dabble in some cashmere, TJ Maxx has really good Vince and Theory cashmere, and also the Vince store had really, really good sales. It was 60% off and then an extra 40% off of that. So really, really beautiful things. A lot of really nice silk blouses as well. And what else? We're getting an Hermes store in Somerset Mall, which it's crazy to me. But yeah, it was a really fun afternoon, and gotta get back to my fam. Today is a new day. After I got home, after shopping, I got a really bad migraine that lasted almost 2 days, so did not do much vlogging over the weekend, but I thought I would come on here, share with you what I got. Also went to Home Goods to pick up a little basket to store Pepper's dog walking supplies in our entryway to have it all looking nice and neat, but in a place where it's really handy. So item number one, these trousers, which are absolutely perfect. They fit really, really well. They are by Vince. They're navy blue. They are such a comfortable fabric. They are really warm, but they're not, I don't know, it almost feels like felt. They're warm and soft, but not too thick. I can still wear them with like t-shirts or bodysuits when it's warmer outside, and I figured it would be just like a nice elevated way to work from home. Kind of feels like sweatpants, but it's a little bit more elevated than sweatpants. The shirt that I'm wearing is just an old Zara shirt from last year. And then I also bought a cardigan. Might as well put it on to show you, even though you can't really see it. It's just a slightly oversized, boxy black cardigan. It doesn't have buttons, so it's just an open front. I do get cold. I always want a little something on my shoulders or just around the house, something nice and cozy. It's cashmere, it's really thick and super, super soft. This is also by Vince. I love it so much. And then the last thing I got is this cropped, oversized, still has a little tag on it that I have to remove. This was really expensive, even though it's from TJ Maxx. It was like $250, which is a lot of money to spend on a sweater, but it's by the brand Co, which is this really, really bougie basics, elevated basics kind of company. They are based out of Los Angeles, and if you like the row, Co is very similar in terms of the aesthetic. It's similar to the row. Slightly lower price point, but still very expensive. So I really, really loved the silhouette of the sweater. I got it in the size medium. I love the sleeves. It's just really, really beautiful. The color is perfect. I adore this type of color. It just works with everything in my wardrobe, and it's the type of neck that I can wear it up like this. I can fold it down, and I really need to take the tags off because they're stabbing me, but I really, really love this. The crop is perfect. I need to take this off because I'm definitely keeping it, but love it so, so, so much. And it's super, super cozy, and I guess I'm ready for fall. So with that, I guess I will leave you here. I'm going to put all this stuff away. Let me know what you're doing to get yourself ready for fall. I figured in my next little monthly catch-up vlog, I will show you how I transition my wardrobe from summer to fall. I might do that. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. If you are, I might show that in the next vlog. I'm still gonna wait. It's still gonna be quite hot for the next couple weeks out here, so I'm going to wait a little bit until I officially transition my closet. But if you want to see that, I can definitely film it, so let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.